Hi there, it's Clint with Clint's Classic World. Wanting to look at this 70 Challenger RT that working on here. Want to take the dash out. The window was literally just taped in for transport because this car was purchased unrestored. Because you can see it used to be a race car. So trying to go back and restore this vehicle. Want to get the dash out so we can get some more components out of this thing and get down under the pedals and things like that are in here. So let's work on that. There are going to be some screws here up at the top that you're going to need to get out, and then there's going to be some screws at the bottom. You'll have to make sure that any gauges or anything like that come out of it, which there actually a lot of the gauges and things are already out of this vehicle, as you can see. So a lot of this stuff will come out all together. You'll also have to take off any side panels, which all the kick panels and things like that have been taken away. So let's work on this. See that bracing right there? There's some bracing as well. So make sure there's another bracing underneath you need to look at to make sure that if it's attached to the body. So we'll work on those first here. So let's work on these right here. This is going to probably take I believe a 3/8 for these. As you can see over there, it's missing one, so that's already been removed, or the other one hasn't been installed. So let's look right here. There's one right there, so let's get on that. Try to break that loose. There it goes. There we go. It's loosening up pretty good now once you get it started. Knock that thing loose. Okay, I'm going to go and loosen the other side before I take that completely out. So let's go over here. Make sure to see if we have any over here. That one's gone. Yep, there is one right here. So let's work on that. See if we can get in there. Looks like it's at an angle here, so sometimes it takes a little work. Things are not exactly tight in here, and if you notice, look at that. See that vent? See in there? See that plastic piece? It's kind of, that actually is not aligned right. The vent should be showing through here. So if you look at that one, you notice how the plastic vent in there. So this isn't even near. So I wonder if this is even attached. If there's just a screw here, it might even be loose. So it's very questionable. This vehicle is very questionable. So let's work on that, get these things out, and then we'll work on the next bolts that are holding the dash inside the vehicle. Okay, so here we are inside the vehicle on the 70 Challenger RT. There's the bolt right there. Can you see it? That's the one we need to unloosen here. Now, preferably, you need to have somebody here to hold the dash so that it doesn't fall back on you. I'm just going to loosen this a little bit, not take it all the way out. And then I'm going to go over there to that side and loosen that one. Here we come to the other side of the vehicle. Let's loosen this dash on this side now. Come right in here. That's not even the right bolt, but let's just see if we can see. There it goes. See how it starts slowing down? So you got to be careful with this. See, the dash is loose now. As you can see, the dash is out. Now I just got to lift it out. I'm probably going to go to that side, lift it out, and pull the rest of it out from the other side. Looks like there's more room. There you go. Okay, so the dash is out. You can see it up there. I actually lifted it and slowly pulled it out through here because there's plenty of room now that, you know, if we slowly pull it out through there, the window opening, there's plenty of room. So you just got to be really careful when you get it out there. So, yeah, the whole dash pad, I rested on the dash pad because that's going to need to be replaced anyway. So the other components, you try to want to keep those and keep them in good shape if you can. The plastic pieces in there. So let's see here. You can see some of the plastic right there. You want to keep that intact. But anyway, so this is what we got in here. I'm going to go through some of this on this vehicle and take a closer look. So what's interesting is it looks like somebody has added some 4-speed pedals. Looks like they're going to wanted to take it and convert it to a 4-speed car. As you can see, it's an automatic car. So, well, let's get in here and start taking some of these other components out, which should be very easy now that we have the dash out.